Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Ryobi Buffer Polisher is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have in your garage if you're into car detailing or just want to keep your vehicles looking their best. Today, we're diving deep into this cordless buffer polisher, exploring its features, performance, and whether it lives up to the Ryobi name. We'll cover everything from its ease of use to its ability to tackle swirl marks and scratches, so you can decide if it's the right tool for your needs. Number 5. 16010 6-inch Waxer Polisher. This waxer polisher features a high-performance 120V motor. It delivers a robust 3,500 revolutions per minute, making it perfect for various detailing tasks. The 0.5 amp permanent magnet motor ensures efficient operation. It provides the power needed for both waxing and polishing, making the job easier. Designed for comfort, it features an ergonomically contoured palm and body grip. You can use it with one or two hands, reducing fatigue during extended use. It includes a lockable on-off switch for continuous operation. This feature adds convenience, allowing you to focus on the task at hand. The package comes with a 6-inch applicator bonnet and a 6-inch terry cloth bonnet. These accessories allow you to get started right away. What we like. This waxer polisher boasts a high-performance motor, ensuring efficient polishing. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable for extended use. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use polisher for basic waxing and polishing tasks, this is a great choice. What people say. Great little buffer. Only one speed, but no biggie. For someone like myself who rarely needs one, this is all I need. I used it to polish my windshield and it worked perfectly. Bought this to buff a motorcycle gas tank after painting. This did a decent job considering it's one speed. The buffing pads are decent quality and work, but there's not many better options for the price. I consider everything on point. Hopefully it's long lasting. Number 4. Chemical Guys TORQX Polisher Complete Detailing Kit. Introducing the Chemical Guys TORQX Complete Detailing Kit. This 12-piece kit has everything you need for professional paint correction and polishing. It includes the TORQX polisher, pads, pad cleaner, conditioner, and microfiber towels. This car buffer polisher uses an 8mm random orbital throw and a 700W motor. It delivers smooth, controlled polishing that's safe for paint, clear coat, headlights, wheels, and more. You can use it on various surfaces. This polisher eliminates light scratches, swirls, oxidation, and haze. It enhances depth and gloss, giving your vehicle a showroom-quality finish. The results are truly impressive. With simple controls, an ergonomic design, and balanced weight, this polisher is comfortable to use. It delivers professional-grade results, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced detailers. It's easy to handle. This kit includes everything you need for compounding, polishing, and finishing. You won't need to buy any extra products. It's a complete solution for all your detailing needs. This kit is ideal for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and even boats. It's safe for a variety of painted, coated, and clear finishes. It's a versatile tool for all your polishing tasks. What we like. This kit provides everything you need for professional-grade detailing. It's safe for various surfaces and effectively removes imperfections. If you're a detailing enthusiast or a beginner looking for a comprehensive solution, this kit is perfect for achieving a showroom finish. What people say. The buffer polisher is cordless, which makes it easy to move around a car without being tethered to an outlet. It has a variable speed dial, which allows you to adjust the speed to match the task at hand. The buffer polisher is lightweight and easy to handle. Number 3. Cordless Car Buffer Polisher Kit. Tired of cords? This cordless buffer polisher kit sets you free. It's portable and gets rid of the hassle of cords, making your detailing easier. With a powerful motor, this polisher delivers up to 4,500 revolutions per minute. It's designed for both professionals and beginners, increasing your efficiency. Weighing only 3 pounds, it's easy to carry and store. This compact design allows you to use it anywhere without being limited by cables. The built-in high-efficiency motor provides a maximum speed of 4,500 revolutions per minute. The copper motor with anti-interference function ensures lower noise, making it comfortable for daily use. Equipped with two 21V 2.0Ah batteries and a fast charger, you can use them alternately. You don't need to worry about running out of power. The 8mm random orbit ensures a swirl-free finish. With 6 adjustable gears ranging from 1600 to 4500 RPM, you can choose the right speed for any task. This dual-action polisher comes with various pads for different scenarios. The Velcro design makes it easy to install. It's suitable for cars, furniture, wood, leather, and tiles. What we like. This cordless polisher offers ultimate portability, freeing you from cords. It features a powerful motor and multiple speed settings for versatile use. If you value convenience and flexibility in your detailing work, this is the ideal choice. What people say. I was able to first polish the entire truck with just one battery and wax the entire truck with one battery. It can be used to apply and remove polish and wax. I'm particularly impressed with the battery life. I was able to polish and buff my entire Street Glide on a single charge and still had over 50% battery remaining. That's outstanding performance for a cordless unit. Number 2. Ryobi 18V Cordless Dual Action Polisher Kit. This is the Ryobi 18V Cordless Polisher Kit. It's a dual-action polisher, perfect for achieving a professional finish on your vehicle. This kit includes everything you need to get started. With its cordless design, you're free to move around without being tethered to an outlet. The 18V battery provides ample power for all your polishing needs. It offers great flexibility. The variable speed control allows you to adjust the polishing power to suit the task. Whether you're removing scratches or applying wax, you can find the perfect setting. It gives you complete control. The kit comes with a 4.0Ah battery and an 18V charger, so you can start using it right away. The battery provides long runtime, and the charger ensures it's always ready to go. This is very convenient. This polisher is designed to help you achieve a professional-looking finish on your car, truck, or other vehicles. It's easy to use, even for beginners. You will be amazed by the result. What we like. This cordless polisher offers the freedom to work anywhere without being tethered to an outlet. The variable speed control allows for precise polishing on different surfaces. If you want a versatile and easy-to-use polisher for various detailing tasks, this is a great choice. What people say. Only compounded 2 of my cars, but I compounded and then polished most of my car and truck with it. Cordless is a bonus. Much easier to move around. This works so much better, and if you already have batteries it makes it nice. Number 1. Ryobi RB61G 6-inch Orbital Buffer. This orbital buffer works at up to 4,800 orbits per minute. It's perfect for applying wax to your car, making the process quick and efficient. The molded, notched rubber grip ensures a comfortable hold. You can confidently use it even when your hands are wet, providing a secure grip. The power switch is located on the side for easy access. This allows for simple operation and control while you're working. An elastic band keeps the bonnet securely in place. This ensures that the bonnets stay where they need to be during use. The package comes with everything you need to get started. Included are 1 application bonnet, 1 polishing bonnet, and an operator's manual. What we like. This polisher delivers high-powered performance for efficient waxing. The ergonomic grip ensures comfortable use, even in wet conditions. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use polisher for basic waxing and polishing tasks, this is a great choice. What people say. The buffer polisher is cordless, which makes it easy to move around a car without being tethered to an outlet. It has a variable speed dial, which is great for different applications. The handle is comfortable and the buffer is easy to control. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.